Alright YouTube, 2013 Cadillac SRX all-wheel drive fuel pump replacement. So the first thing first, you need to drop up the drive shaft. You don't need to drop it all the way, just remove this bracket and take it off from the differential side. Then right here at the exhaust side, you have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and one more up there, right there. You need to use 15mm with the 3-ball on the top one, and 15mm with the extension on the bottom one. Make sure you take off that mounting brackets from the exhaust, and then, like I said, here you have 6 screws here attached to the differential. Just drop it, you don't need to take it off. And again, you have one more mounting over there, mounting rubber. You have one more over here, and then after that you need to disconnect the gas tank from here, all the hoses and everything. Make sure the gas tank doesn't have fuel in it. Then after that you have 115mm right there, 115mm down over there. Use the transmission jack, drop the whole gas tank. When you do that, when you have the gas tank out, there is the kind of the fuel pump, and there is a kind of a screw on top of that. You have to hammer it counterclockwise, and take it off. Make sure you mark it. There is 2 marks right here on the gas tank, or if you don't see that, mark it. Make sure, or this one, make sure you put it right way. Be careful about that sender unit, and not to break it. You're gonna slide it in, connect this one from the inside to the other side of the secondary fuel pump, and make sure you put the new seal on it, tie it back, hammer it back clockwise, and put everything back together. So the procedure for installation is gonna be the reverse. Like I said, again, there is a kind of summarize of these jobs. This job takes about at least 4 hours, but I'm making this video for like less than 5 minutes. It is good for those who already knows what they're doing and they're technician already and they're working on the vehicles. Some of my subscribers and my clients calling me and said, hey, we don't understand these videos. So I mean, it's not DIY video, it's just for those who need some kind of instructions on that any kind of repair or maintenance. Anyway, feel free to send me a text message or send me a question or give me a call if you have any. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.